Not that long ago, the ticket to a good job was a degree from a 2- or 4-year college program. But with tuition skyrocketing and employment opportunities sluggish, the American job market has become much more challenging. Today, securing a good, well-paying job requires the hands-on skill and technical training that can take you to the top of your field. And the International Training Institute for the Sheet Metal and Air Conditioning Industry, with more than 150 state-of-the-art training centers across the U.S. and Canada, gives you the tools to do exactly that. You'll attend small, personalized classes, participate in labs, and receive on-the-job training in 4- to 5-year programs in a variety of rewarding career paths. And it gets better. Not only will you receive the very best possible education and training you need to succeed, as an apprentice, you will earn up to $20 an hour or more plus benefits while you learn, up to $50 an hour plus benefits as a journeyman. And best of all, you'll graduate with no tuition debt. Zero. The International Training Institute's programs provide rigorous, cutting-edge curriculum for serious students who have a strong aptitude for math, problem-solving, mechanical and computer skills, and spatial relationships. And yes, it gets even better. When you graduate, there are jobs waiting for you. Thousands of them, all over the country, with more on the horizon. And the Sheet Metal Training Centers offer 100% placement. North America needs skilled workers to keep her strong, proud, capable, professional. Become one of them. Learn well, learn smart. Visit the International Training Institute's website to find a training center in your area. Higher education from the International Training Institute for the Sheet Metal and Air Conditioning Industry. There's no limit to how high you can go.
Our industry is built upon the skills and experience of our workforce. As technology advances, we must ensure each union worker possesses the knowledge and techniques to maintain our high standards of quality. At ITI, our mission is to provide proper and up-to-date training for the sheet metal industry. This means providing the best possible trainers and the best possible training programs. Through ITI's instructor training and professional development programs, sheet metal workers can transfer their hands-on experience into the classroom. Our in-depth Train the Trainer program can lead to a bachelor's degree in labor education, preparing a new generation of teachers ready to impart their knowledge to our union's newest members. ITI also provides more than 20 instructor training classes, along with separate technician training, spanning the many career paths across the sheet metal industry. With added training, your workers' skills will grow and your business opportunities will expand. Training. It's the basis of everything we do. ITI designs industry-standard sheet metal curricula, keeping our union members updated in the best practices and techniques across the spectrum of platforms where we operate. Our training includes a core foundation for students to master, as well as career-specific programs in which they can specialize. Your JATC can be enhanced with the latest manuals, textbooks and workbooks, video and online training materials. But ITI's array of materials spans farther. Supplemental curricula provide students additional skills to further their knowledge and qualifications. Ensure your classrooms are providing the best environment for learning and growing the next generation of sheet metal workers by accessing ITI's latest training materials. The pride we have for our industry stems from the quality of the work we produce. To ensure we continue to meet or exceed the standards we hold dearly, the ITI provides certification programs, enabling those who know sheet metal best, our skilled workers, to become the safeguards of the materials, designs, and products we create every day. ITI offers a series of certification programs, or can assist with the implementation of the programs within a JATC. Certification not only maintains the quality of our work, but also maintains the environment where our workers spend their lives. Safety and security are high priorities. OSHA and first aid certification programs are just as valuable to ITI as the welding, TAB, and other career-specific programs. We can always be proud of our work. ITI certification programs see to it we meet the highest of standards, the standards we set for ourselves. Form and function. In the 19th century, sheet metal became a major component in the construction of many large buildings. Architectural sheet metal work continues today as sheet metal is incorporated into roofs, walls, drainage systems, and used for decorative design and appeal. As a worker in architectural sheet metal, you need to have both technical skills and an artist's touch. Experienced sheet metal workers find themselves fabricating unique forms and architectural elements. Most of this work takes place outside. They work on construction sites alongside others, including engineers, architects, and crews from other trades. As a crucial part in the creation of buildings, sheet metal workers have to be versed in the basic principles of architecture and have a complete understanding of roof and wall systems, drainage, and ventilation. Architectural sheet metal workers work with different types of metals, as well as the materials and tools unique to this field, to construct a building's practical needs and its distinct decor. There are a variety of jobs, from installers and solderers to crew leaders, project managers, designers, and fabricators. All these jobs combine creativity with strong math skills, so workers can calculate angles, curves, and areas. This enables them to incorporate their skills on the spot with accuracy and speed. And most importantly, it also helps them in reading blueprints. Most sheet metal workers in the architectural field have learned these skills as a sheet metal apprentice. From this apprenticeship, they have acquired the proper training for a lasting and secure career. Learn more about the field of architectural sheet metal work and apprenticeships by contacting the International Training Institute to find your local JATC. All buildings need miles of properly designed HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and piping systems. Sheet metal detailers are the skilled technicians who craft and design those drawings builders rely on. The sheet metal worker creates detailed 2- and 3-dimensional drawings that are needed with every construction project to ensure those systems of ductwork and mechanical equipment are installed precisely, properly, and in the most efficient ways. Detailers are adept in computer-aided design, or CAD. With their advanced ability in CAD, their computer skills and project-specific knowledge make them highly sought after. They are also certified and licensed on construction coordination software created by the International Training Institute. These workers are problem solvers and mostly work in an office on computers as opposed to the shop floor. Sometimes, though, they will be on the job site, coordinating with others about specifics regarding the plans they created. Tradesmen specializing in detailing are trained during their sheet metal apprenticeship, where they have to learn CAD techniques, advanced measuring tools, how to interpret building plans, and HVAC system design and installation. Their acquired knowledge of complex building systems and blueprint reading is crucial. Sheet metal detailers are a key component in the construction process, So communication and management skills to coordinate between project leaders and trade workers are very important. There is a spectrum of careers in this field, from advanced levels of detailing to interacting with clients as a customer service representative to more on-site opportunities as project manager or contractor. Learn more about the field of detailing work and apprenticeships by contacting the International Training Institute to find your local JATC. Our homes need to be comfortable, healthy, and energy-saving environments. The demand for qualified sheet metal HVAC workers is always high, so that our heating and cooling systems operate safely and efficiently. HVAC stands for heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. Residential HVAC workers are responsible for the installation of various duct and airflow systems for the housing industry. Whether it's single-family homes, apartment buildings, or townhomes, there's always a unique challenge. Creating energy-efficient systems, particularly for the homeowner, or what others may call green building, has always been a fundamental duty for HVAC sheet metal workers. They are trained to properly design and install efficient systems, a skill that is important now more than ever. And it's not just new homes. As owners of existing homes look to increase their energy efficiency, the need for retrofitting HVAC technology and the trusted knowledge to install and maintain those systems is rising. Pretty much always working in the field, residential HVAC technicians specialize in the design, installation, maintenance, and service of all types of systems. Math and mechanical skills and the ability to work in different environments are key parts of this job. With each home presenting a different floor plan and architecture, skills are always tested. Residential HVAC sheet metal workers can specialize as a new construction installer, finish installer, retrofit technician, or service technician. Also important is customer relations. HVAC workers deal directly with the homeowner who is highly invested in the work performance. It is important to communicate well, treat their home with respect, and get the job done right. The success of this one-on-one contact can make or break a business. HVAC residential workers gain their skills through the hands-on training from a sheet metal industry apprenticeship. During their apprenticeship, they receive full, comprehensive training of HVAC electronic and mechanical controls and refrigeration and airflow, all designed for a healthy and safe environment. Visit the ITI website to find your local JATC and to learn more about the field of residential HVAC sheet metal work and apprenticeships. HVAC, heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. Every building has it, and it's one of the most popular sectors of work in the sheet metal industry. Commercial HVAC consists of high-volume air handling systems. These systems of ductwork deliver heated and cooled air within office buildings, schools, hospitals, airports, factories, and so many other places we find ourselves in every day. The main distinction of commercial HVAC is it does not include homes, and this HVAC ductwork is usually much larger than residential units. Skilled sheet metal workers create ductwork in all sizes and shapes. They work both in a shop to design and fabricate it, and in the field to install. Creating energy-efficient systems, or what others may call green building, has always been a fundamental duty for HVAC sheet metal workers. They are trained to properly design and install efficient systems, a skill that is important now more than ever. A commercial HVAC worker is skilled at reading plans, calculating measurements, be good with tools, and able to work on ladders and lifts at considerable heights. While commercial HVAC workers focus on heating and cooling systems, they also have to work with other trade professionals in the construction and maintenance of buildings. So communication skills are very important. From energy management, fabrication, installation and service, to project management, this sector of the sheet metal industry holds plenty of career paths. And there are plenty of leadership positions, like foreman or job superintendent, as well as the opportunity to be a business owner. Most workers in this field have learned their trade as a sheet metal apprentice. During their apprenticeship, they acquired the skills and experience needed for commercial HVAC work. Visit the ITI website to find your local JATC and to learn more about the field of commercial HVAC sheet metal work and apprenticeships. Industrial sheet metal includes some of the most complex but also unique sheet metal work. It involves working with heavy metals, materials that are up to 1 inch thick. This work can be large-scale fabrication and installation, state-of-the-art manufacturing, or one-of-a-kind specialty work. In this field, sheet metal workers can specialize in a variety of jobs. Building assembly lines for automotive or food processing plants, the design, assembly, and installation of large air handling systems, building clean rooms for high-tech enterprises, ship or aircraft manufacturing, energy plant construction and retrofitting. Industrial sheet metal workers may be in either a specialized fabrication shop or on construction sites installing large components. Shop and field work requires the operation of many complex and demanding machines, including press brakes, plasma cutters, and mobile cranes. Many shops use state-of-the-art computer numerical control machines. A further challenge is the moving of the industrial-sized work. It must be moved or hoisted into place using large, heavy-gauge machinery or even helicopters. Industrial sheet metal workers must possess a full mastery of all sheet metal skills, math, knowledge of many types of tools and machines, and different types of metals in all shapes and sizes. Welding is involved in many aspects of this work, so experienced and skilled welders find themselves in almost every type of construction and manufacturing environment. Most sheet metal workers in the industrial field have learned these skills as a sheet metal apprentice. From this apprenticeship, they have acquired the proper training and the skill sets for a lasting and secure career. Learn more about industrial sheet metal work and apprenticeships by contacting the International Training Institute to find your local JATC. Stable temperatures in homes, offices, and businesses are often taken for granted. Imagine working or living in a building where there is no control over the heat or air conditioning. All refrigeration systems need to be installed properly, maintained, tested, and diagnosed for problems. To create comfortable living and working conditions, as well as to prolong food and vital medical supplies, we need refrigeration. And for this, we need trained service and refrigeration sheet metal workers. Service and refrigeration workers have many necessary skills. The ability to install and test piping and equipment, coolant systems, and electrical components. They are relied upon for measuring, servicing, and diagnosing sophisticated cooling and refrigeration systems. Maintaining energy-efficient systems, or what others may call green building, has always been a fundamental duty for service and refrigeration sheet metal workers, a skill that is important now more than ever. They work on evaporators and refrigeration systems, condensers and compressors, fluids, gases, and various chilled water systems. The work is challenging, but at times can put them in dangerous conditions. There are several specialized positions in which they work: installers, service technicians, service managers, and owners. Visit the ITI website to find your local JATC and to learn more about the field of service and refrigeration sheet metal work and apprenticeships. Every building has a complex system of air and water flow. So every building needs qualified individuals to make sure the flow is always on the go. These are the specialized sheet metal workers in the field of testing, adjusting, and balancing, or TAB. Ensuring that air and water move safely and efficiently throughout a building or series of buildings is the duty of certified TAB technicians. Their knowledge and ability to troubleshoot problems are vital to a building operating at its fullest capacity. TAB engineers' knowledge spans from comprehending all the components of HVAC systems, conducting proper testing and measurements, to making adjustments and correcting problems as they arise. Maintaining energy-efficient systems, or what others may call green building, has always been a fundamental duty for TAB technicians. It's a skill that is important now more than ever. This field incorporates math and strong problem-solving skills while working on complex air and water delivery systems. Building operators, facilities managers, and business owners rely on TAB workers to maintain a safe and healthy environment. So the career avenues in this field are almost endless. TAB technician, TAB supervisor, and TAB certified contractor, to overseeing large-scale endeavors as project or facilities manager. Visit the ITI website to find your local JATC and to learn more about the field of testing, adjusting, and balancing work and apprenticeships. Roofing is much more than topping off a building, and it takes an experienced sheet metal worker to do it right. Skilled sheet metal roofers are the tradesmen charged with the proper installation of new roofing systems, as well as the repair and replacement of existing roofs. A roof is an important component in the maintenance and lifetime of any structure, taking on the vital roles of drainage, efficient heating and cooling, structural support, and protection. The types of roofs vary: built-up roofs, modified bitumen roof membranes, and green roofing systems. But the sheet metal worker must be proficient in all of them, along with the different slopes of roofs, insulation, and decking and drainage systems. Obviously, this work is outside in the open air, in all types of weather, and high off the ground. Safety is the utmost priority, so roofers are trained in keeping a secure work environment. There are a number of different job positions during all stages of roofing work: installers, estimators, job superintendents, and foremen, along with those responsible for safety and risk management. These roofing experts have received both classroom and hands-on training from an apprenticeship with the Sheet Metal Union. During their apprenticeship, they learn the details of proper installation techniques using modern tools and equipment. Learn more about roofing work and apprenticeships with the Sheet Metal Union by contacting the International Training Institute to find your local JATC. Everywhere you look, someone's trying to catch your eye. From buildings to storefronts, restaurants, even directional markers, signs are ever present. The sign industry relies on skilled workers from the sheet metal industry. The design, fabrication, even installation all falls into the skilled hands of specialized sheet metal workers, even for signs created from plastic or neon tubing. This is a career where one can express design and creativity while using proven calculations and mechanical skills. They know how to take a design or rendering, shape the sheet metal into desired forms, and how to engineer each sign's placement. Lighting and electrical systems play a huge role in attracting the public's attention, so their expertise expands beyond all the sheet metal skills. There are a wide variety of positions within the sign industry, each with different work environments and a unique set of required skills. While designers find themselves inside a fabrication shop or working with computers, many craftsmen are out in the field, implementing signage to specifically fit a building and client's structural and communication needs. Plus, experienced welders, riggers, and crane operators are needed to install signage in all types of environments. Project managers and contractors also have a place within the sign industry, interacting with clients, local governments, and other trade workers. The sign industry is dependent on qualified sheet metal workers to add a distinct look to each sign. Their work puts the right message in the right place. This field combines creativity and tactical sheet metal knowledge. So if you have an eye for design and the desire to get out in the field, the sign industry may be just what you're looking for. Learn more about the sheet metal sign industry and apprenticeships by contacting the International Training Institute to find your local JATC.